model, 63-plate Ford Ranger Xl 4x4 double cab 2.2 TDCI 73k miles. None runner needs engine repair. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 73,356. Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover, engine has seized, needs repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest pickup which has been well looked after. Features: electric windows, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.